What's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to cancel a Windows 10 update whilst it's actually updating. So to actually cancel this whilst it's downloading or installing. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to want to do is, say we've already got the update and it's started and it's currently installed in. What we would do is come down to the search box down here in the bottom left hand corner, and then we want to type run and open up the run application. And then all you want to do is simply type services.msc and then click OK. And once that's done, you should be presented with a screen which looks like this. And what you're going to want to do is maximize the screen if you want to, and you just want to scroll down until you get to Windows Update. So it is in alphabetical order, so it's going to be right down at the bottom of the list. So you can see at the moment, this is where it is, Windows Update. I've currently got this disabled, but what you'll see is it should say running. Where it says status, it should say running. And then all you need to do to stop the update is just right click. And then what you need to do is just go to the top and you'll see an option there which says stop, which you would just click, and obviously it's not highlighted for me because I'm not currently running an update. But if you are running an update, that'll be highlighted. So all you need to do is click stop, and what will happen, that will go ahead and stop the update. So that's how you do it. I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.